Hi, welcome to this new series, CWI Practice Questions. I've designed these practice questions for aspiring CWI exam test takers or for those welding inspectors looking to refresh their knowledge with regards to welding inspection. This is just a 5 set of questions, so it is perfect to start your day basically. I will run through each of the choices so you will know the reason why it is a wrong or right answer. So let's get started.
First question. This is the solidified layer formed during stick welding and must be removed. Letter A, tungsten. Letter B, porosity. Letter C, slag. Letter D, arc stripe. So tungsten does not pertain to stick welding because the welding electrodes of stick welding does not contain tungsten. Letter B, porosity, is a weld defect that is the entrance or the entry of hydrogen molecules to the weld, producing that weld defect called porosity. Letter D, arc stripe, is also another weld defect or discontinuity that unintentional or intentional striking of the welding electrode to the other part of the base metal at or near the welded portion of the metal. So that leaves us to the answer, letter C, slag. Slag is the solidified layer formed during the SMAW process, enabling the molten weld pool of metal to be cooled and also to be shielded from the harmful effects of atmospheric gases. Next question. What are the specific functions of the electrode coating performed during welding? Letter A, provides a gas stream to shield the molten weld pool from atmospheric oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen contamination until it solidifies. Supplies the oxidizers and fluxing agents to clean the weld. Adds alloying materials to the weld pool, enhancing its properties. Letter D, all of the above. Basically, letter A refers to us as the shielding property of the electrode of stick welding. Letter B refers to us as the deoxidation process of the electrode. And letter C is basically the alloying characteristic of the electrode, basically adding the materials to the weld pool, enhancing its mechanical properties. All of these properties or these characteristics are a function of the electrode coating performed during welding, and thus the answer is letter D, all of the above. Next question. What type of electrode fits the following description? Tensile strength of 60,000 psi, suitable for all position, and has low hydrogen electrode. Letter A, 6010. Letter B, E7018. Letter C, E6013. Letter D, E6018. So letter A, E6010, is an electrode with 60,000 psi, so that might be the correct answer. Number 1 is suitable for all positions, so that might be a correct answer. But the last digit, so what does it refer to? So it's a chemical composition for that specific welding electrode, but is it a low hydrogen electrode? So for letter B, so you can automatically cancel that out because 70 pertains to as 70,000 psi strength for that welding electrode. E6013 might be the correct answer, but what does number 3 meant for that last digit? Letter D, E6018. So that is the correct answer because the last digit 8 refers to us as the low hydrogen electrode. Normally for low hydrogen electrodes, the last digit for SMAW ends with 5, 6, or 8. So that denotes a low hydrogen electrode. Next question. What problem does moisture entering the electrode coating cause in SMAW? Letter A, electrode temperature change. Letter B, short circuits the electrode. Letter C, introduce hydrogen to the weld causing brittleness. Letter D, none of the above. So when moisture enters the electrode coating, So what does it cause during the stick welding process? So does it change the electrode temperature? Does it short circuit the electrode? Short circuiting mainly focuses or mainly pertains to JMAW processes. So letter C is the correct answer because when moisture enters the electrode, so basically it's H2O, when it breaks down, hydrogen can cause brittleness to that electrode coating or that molten weld pool in the welding process. So last question. What are the elements of the AWS identification system for SMAW? Letter A, the first 2 or 3 numbers refers to the minimum tensile strength. Letter B, the next number, second to the last number, refers to the position. Letter C, last number describes other characteristics by the coating present on the electrode. Letter D, all of the above. So if you can check the choices, the first 2 or 3 numbers indeed indicate the minimum tensile strength of the weld. The next number to that refers to the position, either 1 or 0. The last number is the chemical composition or any other characteristic that describes that electrode. So all of these 3 choices are accurate, so the answer here is letter D.
So that's it. If you want to kickstart your journey to become a CWI, I have a link down below in the description that will take you through a free online course regarding the introductory part of the fundamentals of the CWI exam. Basically, it covers the welding inspector roles and responsibilities and the welding safety practices. It also has a sample questions like these that you can practice with as a part of your preparation towards becoming a CWI. So if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. See you on the next one.